Eve. Hello Year 10 pupils and parents. This video, in the absence of the ability to speak at length, either at the parent-teacher meeting or in class, will give you an overview of what's involved with GCSE Irish here in St Joseph's Grammar School, Donaghmore. You will know with all your work in Year 8, 9 and 10 Irish that there are 4 skills involved in learning a language, and all 4 of those are assessed in 4 separate exams. Speaking is perhaps the easiest place to pick up marks, and this is where most of our students end up with full marks or certainly A star in this module. You get to do this assessment with your Irish teacher. Imagine 25% of your GCSE for talking for 6 to 8 minutes. A lot of students worry about writing in Irish, but it is pretty straightforward. The other key point is you can do a foundation paper in writing and still achieve an A or an A star. And to all our parents, genuinely, a lot has changed from we were at school, and there are a vast number of opportunities that are now available with studying the Irish language. As head of department, I'm immensely proud of both our students and the amazing team that I have in the Irish department. Our results speak for themselves. The European Commission have a vast shortage of Irish language translators. This means that we have over 180 translators still to be appointed to positions that are highly valued and are accompanied with a very competitive salary as well as working arrangements. Students in Donaghmore choose Irish for a vast range of reasons. Some kids just wish to be fluent in the language while focusing and pursuing their own dreams. We provide our students with the essential skills for the modern workplace: presentation skills, excellent spoken and written communication skills, interview skills, research and critical thinking skills, as well as fluency in a modern European language. The Official Languages Act was introduced in the Republic of Ireland in 2003, which means that everything produced in the Irish Republic has to be provided bilingually. Those students considering applying for a place in the university will not get into any university in the south of Ireland without a GCSE in a language. After years of fighting and demanding recognition for the Irish language, the native language of this island, Irish has officially been recognised as a language here in the north of Ireland, and we look forward to seeing the many opportunities that will come out of the New Decade New Approach Agreement. Take a look through the destination of previous A-level Irish students. You'll see that the majority of students do not do a career or pursue a career in Irish. Instead, they pursue their own dreams, whether that be sports science, engineering, teaching, employment itself, quantity surveying, medicine, law, through to environmental planning. All A-level Irish students leave St Joseph's Donaghmore fluent in Irish. You may even surprise yourself when you see some of the vast range of very famous Irish language speakers.
Some wise Irish man or woman once said that broken Irish is better than clever English. So here goes.
Uachtaráin agus a chuide.
Táhaigh cumann de clás céal an taoiseach agus a cearta go léir. Is mór an honour dú an corn seo Sam Maguire a ghlacu ar Sean Foran Tíreoin.
To Áthis Autumn, they and Ellen, I am happy to be in Ireland.
Intense rivalry can inspire her to extraordinary levels of performance.
Dear students and indeed parents, I hope you've got an overview of what's involved with GCSE Irish, and I hope you make the right decision for you. If you have any further queries, please get in touch with myself, Mr. Tennyson, Head of Irish in St Joseph's Grammar School.